CompTIA A plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.2. Compare and contrast accessories and connectivity options for mobile devices. Docking station. A docking station is a device that plugs into a laptop or other mobile device and provides additional ports for peripherals and provides additional features. This is very similar to the port replicator with that one difference of providing additional features, not just additional ports. Docking stations elevate the functionality of mobile computing devices by incorporating these feature enhancements, which can range from additional storage and improved audio to advanced video graphics capabilities. The key to a docking station's ability to offer these enhancements lies in its connection to the mobile device. Using high-speed interfaces like Thunderbolt or proprietary connectors, docking stations can transfer data, power, and video signals simultaneously through a single cable. This robust connection allows the docking station to not only increase the number of available ports, but also to augment the device's capabilities significantly. One of the primary additional features of a docking station is the inclusion of its own power supply, which allows it to charge the connected laptop directly. This power can also support more power-hungry peripherals that a port replicator cannot handle due to its reliance on the laptop's power resources. Furthermore, docking stations can host additional hardware like dedicated graphics cards, which empower laptops to perform tasks that are graphically intensive, such as video rendering or gaming, far beyond the laptop's built-in capabilities. Docking stations also often come with added storage in the form of built-in hard drives or SSDs, providing not just extra space, but also the possibility of enhanced data processing speeds. Some even have their own network ports for faster internet connections, multiple video ports that support high-resolution external monitors, and advanced audio ports for high-fidelity sound systems. These additional features make docking stations particularly suitable for power users who need more than just extra USB ports or a simple video output extension. They cater to those who need to transform their laptop into a fully fledged desktop computing environment when at the office or home, but still require the flexibility to undock and go mobile at a moment's notice. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.